Withlacoochee Gulf Preserve. Enjoying a nice little sun shower here in Florida. These happen quite often. Quite beautiful, actually. See where this goes. I think this goes to the bridge. Nope. Another lookout. Another salt pond. Okay, I'm headed back to the truck. And the rain has stopped. It's the way it is here in Florida. You get a couple minutes of rain, clouds pass through. Rinsed all the salt and scum off my kayak though, so that's good. Alright. Well, hopefully we have some fishing to film today. Okay, so I am leaving Captain's Cove Outfitters. I just got some bait. Hopefully it'll be a good time. I'm looking for, when I paddle out, I'm looking for two different places. A place that my neighbor told me about, which I'll show you on the map. I'm hoping there's fish there today. Not too many boaters because it is a Friday. And today's the 1st, July 1st, Friday, 2016. To paddle out until I see the house. There's a house on an island out there, and I saw it on Google Earth, so I know what he's talking about. And he said in front of the house, and parked at a house, is like an old abandoned shrimp boat. And he's had days where he's caught a lot of good redfish right around this shrimp boat, and it's supposed to be a good spot for reds. So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna try this out and see how I do, and take you along for the ride with me. Hopefully we'll have some fun. It's a good day and we make a good video. Alright, so I'm off to find new fishing territory here in Yankee. Current's coming in really strong right now. I got a bad connection on my fish finder, so I can't really get a read on it. I have a good idea where I'm going. up with you guys later. Alright folks, so I'm sitting there anchoring up and I hear this noise like a boat or something coming through the waves. And what it is there's something out here tearing these fish up. Tearing them up. Straight ahead is this abandoned shrimp boat that Jim told me about. I'm gonna go fish around it, see if I can catch anything. That's red. Yeah. That's why I wanted one of these. Skin it. Look at that. Perfect. Skins it right off. Almost perfect.
proper, I mean under a tree, not in the landfill. Pieces and parts. Like so. Not buried deep enough so the animals don't get it.